Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are if you have ever wanted to let your customers personalize products like adding custom text, selecting colors or uploading images without paying for expensive Shopify apps, then this video is for you. Let's dive into how to create customizable products on Shopify absolutely free. First of all, log into your Shopify admin and go to product section from the left sidebar. Then click add product. Here give your product name like t-shirt. Add a description and add any product photos like you normally would. Click on upload now, then select your photos from your computer. Now for basic customization like size, color or style, scroll down to the variants section and click add options like size or color. Under shipping options, select add options like size or color. You can add up to 3 different options and multiple values for each. From here, select color option. Or size, or fabric, or age group, or clothing features. Click on color, then click add color, then choose your color like black, blue, white, green, or yellow. Then click on it and name your option and add another option. Clicking by add another option, then done, and click on save button. After saving the product, go to online store, then themes, then click on three dot icon from your themes and click edit code. Now find and open the file named like product form.liquid or main product.liquid depending on your theme. Yeah, click on that. Inside the product form, just before the add to cart button, paste this code. This creates input fields for a name and image upload. When the customer adds the product to their cart, their input travels with it. Click on Save. Go to your storefront and refresh the product page. You should now see the custom fields. Try filling them in and add the product to cart. You will see the data right in the cart. You can customize the styling of the input fields with a bit of CSS or even add drop-downs, checkboxes, and more. The best part, no paid apps needed. And that's how you can offer customizable products in Shopify for free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a tutorial. Drop a comment if you want a video on advanced customization or styling. Thanks for watching, and I will See you in the next video.